Governor FUBARA has signed the 1.188 trillion naira 2025 budget into law in the presence of three House of Assembly member panel. The governor said that they have moved on and there is no looking back. They are not waiting for anybody. That the 27 House of Assembly members that defected to APC because of Minister Nyesom Wike, that they are no longer members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. So the government have to move forward and do the needful, which is to take care of the people of Rivers State. And the budget have been signed into law that they are going to do more than they did in 2024 for the people of Rivers State. Honestly, I don't think that Minister Nyesom Wike saw this coming. He thought FUBARA would be an easy pill to swallow, but what is playing out right now shows that he can never defeat Governor FUBARA in this game. And I know that those members that defected because of Minister Nyesom Wike, some of them will be regretting it right now. They don't even know how to go back again because they thought that Governor FUBARA would be an easy case to handle. But the card is flipping so fast. And now Minister Wike is blaming the former governor of Rivers State, Odili, that he's the one that is pushing FUBARA to disobey him, to disobey the president, to disobey the peace agreement that Governor FUBARA said they ambushed him to sign. That he's the one that is causing the problem right now in Rivers State. He even went further to say that Peter Odili is now the general overseer of Rivers State. He's the one that is handling everything, that is causing all this problem that is happening between him and FUBARA. So what is going to happen right now? Is there going to be another court case? Being that the 2024 budget, court case is still pending in the Supreme Court. The members of the House of Assembly, are they going to accept this 2025 budget? Or is there going to be another court case? What is going to happen in Rivers State? Because it looks like Governor FUBARA is not giving up. He's not playing at all. He means business. And it doesn't look like he's afraid of Wike in any way. And it doesn't look like he's going to give up. And more people are supporting him right now in Rivers State. Having people like ex-Governor Odili on his side. Even Uche Secondus, he's remembering what Wike did to him when he removed him as the national chairman of the PDP. Most of the people in Rivers State are beginning to back Governor FUBARA up right now. They are seeing he's the one in charge. He has the power. So Wike should really wake up from this daydreaming, because he is no longer in charge of Rivers State, and he's never ever going to be in charge of Rivers State again. So he should focus more on being the minister of FCT, and when that is over, he should think of how to relax or do another thing. But when it comes to handling Rivers State, it's never going to happen again. Power have left him, and FUBARA is now fully in charge. So is this going to keep on happening in Rivers State, having this split of members, one supporting Governor FUBARA and the majority supporting Nyesom Wike? But is this how Governor FUBARA is going to continue in Rivers State, running the state with just these very few people from the House of Assembly supporting him, ignoring this large number of people that decided to follow Nyesom Wike? Or is there going to be, is there something that is going to happen in Rivers State? Or is Wike going to, come back, retrace his step, and try to meet up with the governor and have a discussion with him? Because all this backing of a thing, using pressure, trying to suppress Governor FUBARA, it is not going to work. Or even trying to manipulate the governor with the president, it is not going to work. I think the only thing that is going to happen in Rivers State, the only solution there, is for Minister Wike to quietly go to the governor and have a discussion with him. They were former friends. He brought him, up into politics, into becoming the governor. They know themselves more than we know them. So they can just quietly fix this problem. But I think if we continue to use pressure, if we continue to use power, trying to show him he's the one that brought him, he's the one that did this and did that, it is not going to work with Governor FUBARA. Even him as a governor, when Nyesom Wike was the governor of Rivers State, it didn't work. The people that put him there, he wasn't showing any kind of respect to any of them. So I don't even know why he's mad with what Governor FUBARA is doing right now, because it was the same thing that he did to the people that put him there when he was the governor of Rivers State. So they should just have a quiet conversation so that the peace can return to, Rivers State. But going through these court case filings and this power tussle, social media, it is not going to help any issue. Also, Governor FUBARA said that ex-governor Peter Odili is the beginning and the end of Rivers State politics. So having such a statement in his camp is an advantage. These are people that meant good for the people of Rivers State. He have led the state, and he was one of the best governors that Rivers State have ever produced. And Wike has come out to debunk that him himself, Nyesom Wike, is the best governor that Rivers State have ever produced since democracy. So it's not Peter Odili, like what the governor of FUBARA is saying right now. And Nyesom Wike is really blaming Odili. He said that as an elder statesman, he's not supposed to be doing what he's doing right now. That he was supposed to be moving in the angle of peace, trying to, unify the people of Rivers State, not siding with Governor FUBARA to disrespect the president. I don't know how Governor FUBARA is disrespecting Tinubu in this case. He's just trying to drag the president into this case. He thought he can use the president, to oppress the people of Rivers State. But Governor FUBARA knows his right as the governor of Rivers State. And he means good for the people of Rivers State. He's delivering good governance to them. I don't see anything wrong with what, Governor FUBARA is doing in Rivers State. So, Nyesom Wike should relax and allow him to run his government. He should stop distracting him. And trust me, Governor FUBARA will end up being a better governor than Nyesom Wike, even in achievement and everything in Rivers State. And it looks like the people of Rivers State loves him very well. So he should just wake up from this power dream, this power tussle, and know that he is no longer in control of Rivers State. And Governor FUBARA is in charge right now.